Abby. We got another unboxing. We just received our Universal Yums box for the month, and so we're gonna see what's all inside. So it looks like this Yums traveled all the way from, says the land of smiles. So I wonder where that could be. Ooh. And it's from Thailand. So again, we have our ratings on the back. So we'll be able to do that. And our little booklet that tells us a little bit about each of the things that are in the box. Plus, I learned from the UK one that it also has some different like recipes you can try and different facts about Thailand. So super fun. Okay, so we have salt and sour. It looks like chips. So that's interesting. And then devil chips. I'm guessing they're gonna be very spicy. And I'm not sure what these are, but they look like garlic and salt. They kind of remind me of like the little Cheeto things, like the puffs. So that will be interesting. Oh, fried sweet potato chips. Sweet and spicy fried potato snack. I like sweet potatoes. And then we have coconut chips, sea salt, and caramel. Those look good. And here we have, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to try this one. So it's fried shrimp with salad cream flavor. So I'm actually allergic to seafood, so I'm gonna be curious to see if this actually has actual seafood in it, which it looks like it does. So unfortunately, I won't be able to tell you if I like this one or not, because I really don't want to get sick, but maybe my husband will let us know. And then we have some sticky rice with coconut cream and mango. Ooh, that looks good. One of our favorite desserts actually is mango sticky rice. So this will be a fun one to try. And then we have our Yum bag again, but I'm not gonna open it on here. I want it to be a surprise. And then this is honey toasted flavor cream that is filled in a wafer. Those look really yummy. So far, I haven't really seen anything that I'm not excited about trying. Minus the shrimp, of course, but that's for other reasons. Thai coconut roll with natural banana. That also sounds very interesting. And then the last thing in here is, it looks like a gummy lime salt. So that will be interesting. Be very curious to try that. Well, that's everything that was in the box. Make sure that you check out my social media pages for our results on what we liked and what we didn't like. Otherwise, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for the next time that we have another Universal Yum. Thank you guys. Have a good night.